What kind of backing in this right here, boy? He way past that line. Goodness gracious. Jeez. Man. But he's supposed to be up there. His trailer like 4 foot past that line. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That flatbed truck right there sticking out. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Truck drivers don't know how to back up. This is good. This guy here got a homemade he got a homemade cardboard thing to block the sun. He can pull up a little bit more, but he's gonna have the other truck get his truck hit. And you need to pull that trailer up, my man. You're at least about 4 foot all the way back. Shame. Come on, truck driver. Just that right there, just ridiculous. And he the same way too. Goodness gracious. What are you truck drivers parking, man? How do you guys parking? That's just crazy. Not how you supposed to do it like that, like what he just did. Come on, you guys. Do a better job than this, truck drivers. Know how to back up at the truck stop for other truck drivers. If that flatbed driver would have hit your truck, he would have woke your butt up out the damn bed. You know, then you can start crying wolf. Oh, you hit my truck. Duh, because you're sticking out 4 foot past the damn line, idiot. But it is what it is. Can't make it up, man. Truck drivers, come on, guys. Do a better job in back for other truck drivers. All right, peace.